Hello everyone, Robert here. Today I would like to show you how to install Vagrant and VirtualBox in Linux Ubuntu 20.04 machine. You can do the same practice in Windows as well as Mac. Okay, as a learner you can try in all these three platforms for practice purpose, but today I focus how to install in Linux Ubuntu machine. Many of you already knew what is Vagrant, okay, but still I just want to give a small intro. Vagrant is a tool for building and managing virtual machine environments in a single workflow. Machines are provided on top of VirtualBox, VMware or AWS, etc. Then this industry standard provisioning tool such as shell scripts, Chef or Puppet can automatically install and configure software on virtual machine. To be honest, it actually works as a bridge, and most of you already knew what is VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a powerful tool, okay, because like if I want to use two OS in one machine, it's very difficult. So what we do is we install VirtualBox, on that we install our required OS so that we can practice different things for our practice purpose. Mostly it's free, and if you want to know the clear and more information about these two applications, I already gave the link. You can click the link, you will get the complete information. Okay, so let us straight away go for this installation. Okay, so after this video I will put these commands in the description field so that when you want to practice you can straight away use these commands and install in your PC. If you have any questions you can write your commands in the comment section. Okay, I copy this command, go to terminal. It's for complete beginners, and it's always best practice to update the sudo update and sudo update. Doesn't take much time, but it's always good if you do that. Then let me go for this update command. Sorry, I missed this U. I missed the S. Okay. Then I'll install the dependencies. So here your name is nothing but your username. So that's the default command. You need to modify it as per your username. So in my case it's Lenovo. Okay. Let me check the command again. Okay, it's always better to reboot it, but in our case if I do reboot it will disconnect our session, so I avoid that. But if you want to try, please reboot it. Then let us install this VirtualBox. It will take some more time. Let's wait for that. In the meantime, copy that. The commands. In my case, I use Linux machine, so I would like to install this VirtualBox. On that I will install Windows OS. so that I can practice that platform also. Because in current market condition, it's always better you should know how to install different packages, different applications in different environment, different platforms. Because we never know which OS the company may use. Mostly they will have Windows or Linux, even Mac also, but that should not stop you. That's the intention. So it's about to complete. So I made this video for complete beginners, absolute beginners. So you can use this document and install straight away. Let us wait some more time. Okay, it's done. Now you can go back to that all applications and look for VirtualBox. Should be there. See, it's there. Okay. Go back to the terminal and install Vagrant. Okay, so we go for second command. Actually, I copied these commands from the internet link. I already gave the link also. Okay, you can go there and cross verify that. So I copy pasted these commands here for our own convenience. Paste. Mindfear means paste in German language. Okay, then I'll install that. I will paste this last command. Okay, it's done. In order to verify the installation and the version, you can use this command vagrant -version. Some of you are already aware of this command. It's vagrant 2.2.18, like we use for Java version or Ansible. Okay, so it's done. And moreover, I have given some more commands also how to uninstall VirtualBox and Vagrant, because if you are a learner, you should always know how to install as well as uninstall the application. So if you want to practice, you can use that also. So I will enter these commands in the description field. You can use it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.